Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emma, and in today's video I thought we'd do another clean and organise with me, but today I'm going to be tackling under my sink. So I did do this not too long ago when we had our kitchen done, but it just needs some fine tuning because it has got a little bit out of control again, so I'll show you that in just a second. And I have bought some more storage just to line everything up in some clear plastic bins. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through everything, get rid of what we don't need because there is quite a lot under there that doesn't get used. So I'm either gonna recycle that or donate it, depending on what there is. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So this is what the undersink currently looks like. So I have got some hooks on my door, which I have ordered some more. I'm hoping they come in the post today so that I can get all of my cloths hung up and all organised. But how it is at the moment, I've got my duster and my scrub daddy just hung here. There is a hook there, which I did have my dustpan on, but I had to scrap that idea because the door wouldn't close properly with the sink. So I've got this under sink shelving unit. It is actually designed for under the sink, so it can fit around obviously the plumbing that is under the sink, which does take up quite a lot of space. So it is a good idea, but it just needs going through again because, as you can see, it is a little bit overwhelming. So my plan is just to go through everything. I'm going to get everything out and just see what I've got, what I need and what I don't need, because I mean, that is an excessive amount of stuff. And none of that is bathroom stuff either. The bathroom stuff is actually up in the bathroom. So that is just purely stuff that is for downstairs. So yeah, I need to have a good sort through of that. And then I'll show you the extra bins that I've got for storage. So yeah, if you saw my Home Bargains haul, I'll link it just above if you want to check that out. But I've got some additional clear storage bins, so small and medium, and they do sit really nicely on these shelves. So what I'll do is I'll set the camera up, we'll take everything out, give everything a good clean, and then we'll see what we've got to work with.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh. 'cause I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it.
Hey everyone, so I just need to check the footage when I upload all of this because my camera decided to completely shut off as I was doing the under sink, so I'm not quite sure. I'm hoping it might only be a couple of minutes, so there's not much that would have been missed at all. So yeah, I will check that when I go through everything, but I have just ordered a new camera actually and it came today. I was going to film an unboxing for it, but I'm not very technical, so I'm obviously going to need to watch some YouTube videos to set it all up anyway, so I think I'll just go ahead and get it set up so I don't have to deal with my camera dying halfway through because it's overheating. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'll flip the camera and show you. So I got the G7X Mark II. Oh, look at it, I'm so excited. So yeah, right. So just to update, I've finished the sink. So this is what we're looking like. So I've actually managed to bag up what I don't want, what I don't use, so I will give that to family, so it's not going to be wasted. I'll give that to friends and family. So yeah, that's all bagged up, ready to go. And everything else, my hooks that I ordered for my doors haven't arrived yet, so if they arrive before I upload this video, I will try and insert a clip so you can see, but the idea is I want to hang my cloths on the door. I know I'm crazy, but this is how I like it all organised. So when my husband fitted the kitchen, we have these little cutouts here, which is how the worktop is joined. Oh, it's so handy because I can hook my little Zaflora mixes. So these are just empty bottles that I've diluted some Zaflora in with my favourite scents. So I just hook those up there and it's just different scents in those three. This is actually a mixture of my fabric conditioner that I put in the washing machine, and what I've done is I've mixed half a capful with some water and I just spray this on my sofas before I go to bed, so it just smells really nice, and I spray the washing if it's out on the air. So yeah, if you've not tried that, that's a good idea. And then just at the very back, this is my spares of like washing up liquid, some stainless steel spray, so it's not in the basket because I've got one on the go at the moment. So this is just stuff I use every day, my sprays, obviously my antibacterial spray, polish, my new flash. You would have seen me using this in this video. I just bought this the other day and it is amazing. It smells amazing, definitely a new favourite. And just, yeah, my other bits and pieces. So that's all in this basket. So I can pull that out and take it upstairs if I need to. And then this is how the shelving is looking. I did try to move it to this side, but because of the plumbing underneath the sink, it didn't work. I couldn't fit the shelves along, so it went back along here, which is fine. I mean, I've got a good open space with it. So yeah, it's gone back where it was. Everything's been wiped out, sanitized, and then we've gone through everything and put it all back in. So starting on the top, I've got my dishwasher tablets, and then in this tray here, I'm keeping like carpet and rug refresher. So this 1001 is just a spray you don't have to hoover it or anything. It dries very, very quickly, and it just leaves the carpet smelling lovely. And then I've actually got a Vanish stain remover for, obviously, with the dog and the kids. That is amazing. Ironing water, that's not in a pot because this gap isn't big enough for those. So if I can find a smaller one, I'll put it in here. But yeah, my ironing water is just standing there. And then this has got to be my favourite one, my Zaflora. So obviously my favourite, you've seen this in a few videos, Twilight Garden. I have got a few of these because it's limited edition. It won't be around. I think it's more of like an autumn winter scent. So I've got a few of those. And then I've also still got a Summer Breeze from last year, which I've seen back out in the shops. And this is a lovely scent. So yeah, that's very, very spring, summer smelling. So I can't wait to get that back in one of my spray bottles. But yeah, so that's all my Zaflora in there. And then that's my drying mat just tucked down in the side. So when I'm not using it for the sink, I'll just pop it down there. And then I've got my duster here and my Scrub Daddy. I think I showed you that at the beginning. And then in this bottom one, this is just my minky cloths and then extras, kind of like Moppet sponges and Scrub Daddies. So the reason I've got a couple of Scrub Daddies is they came in a pack of 3. So I've just got some spares in here. And then minkies are amazing, so you can just pop them in the washing machine and they will last you forever. But some of them, I mean, some of them are a little bit more worn than others. So eventually, obviously, I'll just put it to maybe garden use or car use in one of my other baskets. But that's the reason why I've got some new ones there. So I'll flip those around when these are no longer used for the kitchen. Then in this little tray, this is just full of my other kind of like microfiber cloths, any wet wipes that I'm using. So this is actually a screen wipe, and then we've got some damp polish wipes, some flash wipes. These are the ones I'm running down because I'm trying not to buy them. And then I've got my biodegradable ones, so I'm really happy that I found those ones. So yeah, as soon as these flash ones, I'm just going to stick to the biodegradable ones. And then I've got things like my dusters, my glass cleaner, another duster, and then just all my microfiber cloths. So again, they go in the wash, back out once they've been cleaned. So I'll just use them to wipe down the kitchen doors, things like that. I've got some air freshener refills when they run out, and then I've got just an old toothbrush. Surprising, this is amazing for cleaning things like the oven. So yeah, there's that. And then just in this last one, this is a bit of an ad hoc basket as well. So I've got my pink stuff, some bin neutralizer powders that you can put in. It just stops the bin from being a bit smelly. Since we've stopped eating meat, we don't really have that problem. So, but yeah, they're all still handy to have. Drain and blockers, and then just silly things like some shoe polish. So this is just ad hoc bits in there. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So hopefully my hooks come for the door, and then I can show you what that looks like. But yeah, that's it. So I'm glad I got that job ticked off this morning. So also a little bit of a side note, it is cleaning related, so I thought I would just pop it in this video. But I was just going through my makeup, and I have got so many beauty sponges that, I mean, that is actually disgusting, isn't it? And they all pretty much are in the same state. So I do wash these quite regularly, but I find the stains just don't come out of them. So I was recently watching Mrs. Hinch on Instagram, and she put all of her beauty sponges in the washing machine. So I thought, that's genius. I'm kind of up together with my washing today. So I'm going to put all of my sponges in the washing machine, and we'll see how they come out. So I'll show you a little bit of a before of what they look like. No judging, because they are filled with makeup. So yeah, we've got a bit of a selection. Most of them are the Real Techniques beauty sponges. I mean, I really don't need this many, but there isn't anything wrong with them. I mean, some of them are a little bit grubby, but I just find if I can't be bothered to wash it, then I've got spares on hand. So yeah, we're going to put these in the wash, and we'll see how they come out. So I'm hoping this works, because this will actually be a godsend. So yeah, right, update on the beauty sponges. Look at the size of them, they look massive. So they've come out of the washing machine, and I am so impressed. I'm not going to waste my time trying to do this by hand anymore. Look how good they all look. Oh, Ollie's making an appearance. We've got you from nursery. It's his short day today, so I did this while he was at nursery this morning. Oh, that is a lovely smile. And he's got his hair up because it's actually really nice and sunny today, so he's been in the garden. So we've popped his hair up so it doesn't get in his face. Little cutie. You can talk, baby. It's not a picture, it's a video. Can you tell everyone what you did in nursery? What did you do in nursery? What did you do in nursery?
I'm gonna take it potato.
Oh, you're gonna sing. Sing a song then. Sing Mummy a
I'm
song.
gonna take it potato hats. Squat, 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 spin my squat. Open the night. Stop.
Oh.
Pick up my favourite answer.
Oh, that's very good, Ollie. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my under sink, well, clean, organise, declutter. If you did, as I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.
Finds the walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left